Okay, so I'm getting ready to hang a LED outdoor sconce from the Home Decorators collection. First of all, I'm taking my old one off, which I really like, by the way, but I think this one's going to even be cooler. Unscrew the screws, take off the wires. Of course, make sure that you've turned off the electricity. And there I'm checking to see if the mount is the same size. If it is, I won't have to put a new one up. I'll just use that one. And it is the same size, so there I go. I'm hooking up the wires to the new one. And as you can probably tell, I've sped this thing up a little bit because I hate watching videos of stuff like this, and it's so freaking boring because they take forever to shut the door. Anyway. You get to see everything I'm doing, but it's just a lot faster. I had to flip it over there because I had it upside down. It's kind of hard to tell on that thing. Anyway, I've got it going. Got the wires all hooked up. Putting the screws in. If I can find the hole. Here. And get the drill. Drill it in good there on both sides. And make sure it's on tight. And then all you got left to do is try it out and make sure it's working, and it is.